The C320 can be used for filling applications. The C320 is an excellent choice for simple process control applications where you might need 1 or 2 set points. In this video, we're going to be setting up a simple pail filler using a toggle switch, a relay, and a 120 volt pump. We fitted these items into a small enclosure with a C320 panel mounted. Stay tuned to find out more about this application. On page 3 of our app note, it describes wiring. So a few things to keep in mind. COM plus and COM minus need to be wired. Power needs to be provided into these 2 pins. The power that we're switching the relays needs to line up with this as well. So you wouldn't ever use a 12 volt relay and then feed 24 volts into COM plus and minus, because that would output 24 volts out of out 1 and out 2. So the out 1 and out 2 voltages are going to be whatever you feed COM plus and minus. COM plus and minus needs to be typically 12 to 24 volts. An e-stop can be fitted in line with our COM plus or with our COM minus, but in this application we're not going to have an e-stop wired up. Our toggle switch is going to be wired into N1, so we're going to jump 12 volts into one side of our toggle switch, and the other side of our toggle switch will feed input 1. Inside of our controller you can see our terminals. We have our AC power wires are here. We have a 12 volt power supply here. We've brought our load cell connections over to gray terminals. We have a input terminal here for our toggle switch. And on the other side of the power supply is an Omron 12 volt relay. And that relay is powering a 120 volt switched output so that we can turn on and off the water pump. This application describes 2-speed filling using set point 1 and 2. However, we're only using a 1-speed fill using set point 1. Here you can see the set point configuration compared to the actual set point configuration. Set point 3 is actually our set point 2. The backlight colors will vary based on set points and toggle switch positions. Green signifies completed, white signifies reset, and amber signifies set point 1 filling. Hopefully this video helped you understand more about the C320 set points and how they can be useful in your application.